So I'm barbecuing some fantastic lamb cutlets, and I'm just giving them a hint of rosemary smoke with some fresh rosemary sprigs placed directly onto the charcoal. I purchased these lovely lamb cutlets from my local butcher, and they've been French trimmed. Essentially, this means that the meat and fat around and between the upper part of the rib bones has been cut away and the exposed ribs have been cleaned. This is a rack of 7 ribs, and if you look at the base of the meat you can see the backbone has been removed or chined out. This makes it much easier to divide the rack up into individual cutlets, and also it makes them much easier to eat as you're not having to nibble your way around the bones to get all the meat out. It's time to break out the barbecue, and I'm going to be using the Thiros T1 grill for these cutlets. It's a really efficient grill using only about 200 grams or half a pound of charcoal for each burn. This looks ready to go now. And just one point to note here, the meat has actually been out of the fridge for about an hour and it's come up to ambient temperature. I've simply seasoned both sides of each cutlet with salt and pepper. I'm smoking the lamb with fresh rosemary sprigs. While it's cooking initially, I'm placing the sprigs of rosemary around the lamb, so as the charcoal heats them, they will release their oils, perfuming the meat. On goes the lid, and we can wait a few minutes. We don't want it overcooked, so a couple of minutes is all you need. Once the lamb's been on the grill for a few minutes, it's time to turn it. Well, I've turned them once. I think it's now time just to have another quick look and see how they're getting on. Time to place a little rosemary directly onto the coals. This will give us some fantastic rosemary smoke. Okay, let's see how these are getting on. I can turn these once more. That rosemary smoke could do with just a little bit of adjustment. There we go. Pop that back on there for another minute. Okay, these are now done, ready to plate. Oh, that tastes absolutely amazing. Beautiful. Definitely do that again. Well, that's it folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching right to the end. If you liked it, please give us a big thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Take care folks. Bye.